Hello there. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel. Today we're going to continue our dress and I'll try for us to finish it. Okay, so we're going to continue our dress. I went ahead and did a couple of things, as I always say, just to save time. Okay, I've joined the zipper, okay, to the lining and stitched the shoulder seams and the neckline. Okay, so there we go. See how it looks? It's a long dress. Okay. And now I'm going to stitch the main fabric to the zipper, okay? So I'm going to pin it. I'm going to get off, pin it, show it to you before I go to the machine. Today, I won't bring you to the machine. I'll do everything on the table. I'll go to the machine, come back and show it to you, okay? So hold on. I'm going to pin it, as I said, show it to you, and then go to the machine. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I have pinned the zipper. And then this is the wrong side. Now, don't forget to understitch, okay, with your facing. If you're doing facing, don't forget to understitch, both from the center front all the way around the neck and the other side too. Now I'm going to sew the zipper and I'll be back, so hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, I finished the zipper. Okay, there, and then this is the wrong side. There. Now, the armhole, I'm going to open the zipper. See how it is? I'm going to flip it from the zipper end. And then again, shoulder to shoulder. I'm making sure my seam match. Don't forget to snip the back neck a bit, okay, after you sew it, before you do your understitch. Okay, snip just the neckline, the back neck line, okay, not the front. The front don't is on bias, so don't cut, don't trim anything on the bias, just the neck. Okay, and then the zipper, don't forget, after you finish too, don't forget to press it. Put a pressing cloth on it and then press it. Okay, that's the sleeve, or I should say the armhole. I flip it right side to right side, and I'm gonna stitch it, okay? And then I'll clip in between the armhole, but not at the shoulders, just around the armhole a bit, okay? I'll do both sides, and I'll be back. So hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Now, after I flip the armhole, both right sides together, the lining and the main fabric, this is it. Now I'm gonna pull it. Oh, don't forget to clip it. I'm gonna pull it through the back, from the front to the back. And please, it's not necessary that you have to do it the same way that I'm doing it, because this is a lot of confusion from step to step, okay? Because this is more advanced. So now this is what I ended up with after I flip it around, and then I understitch it from this end, the side seam, to as far as I can go on the shoulders, and then from the side seam from the back also I went as far as I can, okay? Understitch. Okay, now I'm going to finish the other side, but then when I finish, I'm going to join I'm going to overlap the front. Where is it? I'm going to overlap the lining from the right side to the left side by itself. That's why I left 1 inch, so then I can do that, okay? And then I'll do the same thing to the front, which is the main fabric. Overlap it also. Then I'll join the front, the main fabric and the lining, and I'll be back. As I keep repeating, you don't have to do it exactly like I'm doing. You can follow the instruction sheet, okay? Because this is, I keep repeating, is for more advanced, and this is how I wanted to do my dress, okay? So follow the instructions sheet of the pattern, and if you want to do it my way and I'm getting you confused, more confused, just leave me a comment, okay? Leave me a comment, and then I think I'll write it step by step, okay? So hold on, I'm gonna finish it and I'll be back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, the dress is done. So done. That's the front, and this is the back. Okay, so done. Now let me turn the wrong side out to show you. And the pattern suggests that we hang it for 24 hours before we hem it, because it's unbiased. They want the material to relax first before we hem it. Okay, here goes. There we go. And this is the back. Okay, the way I finish it, I don't want to confuse you guys more than I've already done. Anyway, I close the side seam after I stitch the middle of the overlap. I close the side seam, and then I join the front main fabric, center front and center back. I mean center front and the lining center front. Okay, but this you had to see me do it, or I had to walk you through it. So it's best if you guys follow the, what do you call it, the instruction sheet. Okay, and there we go, one more time. So this is all done. We just have to wait 24 hours to do the hem. Okay, but it's all done. Next week, God willing, I'm thinking of us doing a skirt and a culotte in the same pattern package. It is Simplicity 3961. Simplicity 3961. Both a skirt and a culottes. Okay, and it comes in sizes sizes 8 to 4, sizes 6 to 14, and I think it comes a bigger size than that, because it says Europe 32 to 40 and 34 to 42. So I believe it comes, I have size 6 to 14, so I think it comes in 18. Why am I getting all mixed up? 16 to 20 or 22. Okay, so this will be next week. Okay, so we are done for today. Thank you for watching. Happy sewing after all the confusion. I'll see you I'll see you next week. Bye bye for now. Thanks.